Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to start live streaming on Instagram. This can be done by any user with any number of followers. What's required to do this? You log into your account and add new stories. Here at the bottom, you need to select Live. This is our broadcast. Click. We can set a specific date for the broadcast to start, and we can also notify our subscribers or friends that we've started our broadcast. We click the Start button, and our broadcast starts. Here at the bottom, we will be able to see comments and chat. We also have functionality that we can use. After the broadcast is over, you can close it. It can be saved to your account, or you can delete it. You select the option you want. The broadcast is deleted. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.